They are accused of selling a miracle. Inject stem cells, walk again. You can even grow a new shoulder.
CBS 2 investigator Pam Zeckman exposes a group of clinics accused by paying patients of ripping them off.
For 87-year-old Frank Mahon, the pain in his knees is
horrible because nothing stops it.
After hearing a radio ad for stem cell treatments, he went to the Wellness Institute in Crystal Lake for help.
They said they can inject the stem cell and you'll be able to walk again without pain.
An injection in one knee cost him $4,500. 66-year-old Amira Kekic heard about it by word of mouth. She paid $8,500 to have both knees injected at once at the Wellness Institute in Schaumburg. Her son translated for her.
She felt this was a good option and very happy that this procedure will be able to remove the pain.
In a sophisticated ad campaign, patients read the pitch for remarkable treatments that can stop the pain for all kinds of conditions. There's also an infomercial online and on TV featuring Dr. Jill Howe, a chiropractor who owns the clinics Kekic and Mahon went to for amniotic stem cell injections.
We'll go in and regenerate that tissue that you're missing. So you can get new cartilage, you can get new knees, you can get new shoulders, new nerves.
Experts say we're not there yet, but hope ongoing clinical trials will expand the use of stem cells. Dr. Sean Morrison is past president of the International Society for Stem Cell Research.
Our belief is that there are many companies operating in the United States that are selling fake stem cell therapies that are not legal under FDA regulations.
The FDA has announced a crackdown on stem cell clinics in other states using unproven treatments. But here in Chicago and the suburbs, we heard amazing claims pitched to vulnerable patients in seminars we attended with a hidden camera. Here in Huntley, Jill Howe added a personal touch, describing how stem cells repaired her injured right ankle.
I can jump up and down, and on an x-ray, I have an ankle joint again on the right-hand side where before I didn't have one.
That would be miraculous.
We showed the claims to this orthopedic surgeon and stem cell researcher.
There's no data to suggest that you can get a brand new ankle joint and to regrow your cartilage.
At another seminar in Crystal Lake, I questioned Howe from a prospective patient's point of view.
So what's the percentage of success that you've had?
About 80%.
80%?
For hips, knees, absolutely.
A success rate we heard at several seminars.
Reaction to that?
Great, show us the data.
Prove it.
Yep, show it to everyone.
I'm told that there's no proof that stem cells, as you are suggesting, actually work as you describe.
So who said that? An orthopedist? Orthopedist. Right. You got to consider the source.
Our sources include half a dozen experts in various medical fields from several respected universities and medical organizations. They all agree there's no scientific proof to back up her claims or others. Like at this St. Charles seminar led by Dr. Kenneth Olson, a chiropractor who owns the Pure Health Clinic in Aurora.
We're literally removing the arthritic process or reversing the arthritic process.
After he failed to return my calls, I caught up with Dr. Olson in person.
No filming.
You didn't call me back. We're on
Yeah.
the sidewalk here.
Yeah, you can't film.
I wanted to, how can you make the claims that you are making in these seminars about these treatments?
Then there's Jeanette Emanuel, who spoke at seminars representing Dr. Tom Loeb, a pediatric surgeon. He also owns a Gold Coast private practice called Regenovata, where he performs stem cell therapies.
We truly want to help you get out of pain.
Emanuel told seminar attendees,
if you've had type 2 diabetes, it can regenerate your pancreas. We just had a woman who has epilepsy, and we injected the nose area with some stem cells, and they went directly into her brain.
Why are you smiling at that one?
Not possible now and not anatomically possible either.
Through his attorney, Dr. Loeb denies any connection to the ads, the seminars, and the two chiropractors, but they refer to him as their medical director or partner, to whom they refer more complicated cases for infusions of umbilical cord blood stem cells.
If you're a rheumatoid, fibromyalgia, Parkinson's, MS, diabetes, Alzheimer's, ED, COPD, cardiovascular problems, Those are the #1 conditions that our partner Dr. Loeb addresses.
But now Mahan and Kekich say their pain was not helped by the stem cell injections at Jill Howe's clinics. Mahan called to complain.
I'd like to know if I can get my money back. And all I heard was a click.
Recently taken x-rays show Kekich's knees still have no cartilage padding. They are bone on bone.
I think that they sold a false hope to her.
Her son says the pain was
excruciating. The fact that we couldn't even set up a follow-up appointment was really upsetting. She felt betrayed.
I tried to get answers for them when I caught up with Hal leaving another seminar. I have some questions for you about your presentations that you make to people.
Yes, our purpose is to help people get better and help people stay better.
Are you cheating people by giving them false hope?
Please let go of my card.
Please let go of my card. Giving them false hope? I have releases for you from patients who are complaining about you, and they did not get any treatment that helped them. They paid thousands of dollars and got no help. We will be following up on this story with questions that still need to be answered by clinic operators and agencies that are supposed to regulate them. Meanwhile, through his attorney, Dr. Loeb says he fired Emmanuel for going off script with some claims she made at her seminars, and he says he no longer participates in them. We should note that the infomercial this group uses has appeared on CBS 2, but will no longer play on our station. Rob and Erica.